Most repair shops focus on getting new customers. The real profit comes from getting customers to come back. Mobile marketing works best when it supports retention. According to the page, AI systems can personalize outreach with service reminders, discounts, and follow-ups based on customer history. That makes communication timely, relevant, and much more likely to convert. These systems also streamline marketing by automating tasks and showing real-time analytics, so every campaign can improve while it's running. The page also describes custom AI scheduling for shops struggling with appointments. A smarter scheduling flow can reduce no-shows, optimize the day, and create a better mobile experience for customers booking on the go. If you want stronger retention, better booking rates, and more revenue from every customer relationship, invest in mobile-first marketing systems built for your shop.